If your money feels tight no matter how much you earn, then what you need is not more complexity, but a clear reset. Your cash flow and building systems that actually support your financial growth. You do not need advanced tools or complicated strategies to make progress. What matters is having a simple plan, staying consistent, and focusing on money-making habits that move you forward. The first step is building a budgeting plan that you can actually follow in your daily life. Many people fail at budgeting because they create rules that are too strict or unrealistic. Instead, your budget should reflect how you really live. Start by looking at your income and understanding exactly where your money is going. From there, adjust your spending so it supports both your essential needs and your financial goals. A good budgeting system gives you flexibility while still helping you stay in control. When your budget feels manageable, it becomes easier to stick with it, and consistency is what drives real progress in personal finance. Once your budget is in place, the next focus is tracking your income and expenses using simple accounting methods. You do not need to be an expert in accounting to do this effectively. What matters is clarity. When you track your money consistently, you gain a clear view of your cash flow. You can see how much is coming in, how much is going out, and where adjustments need to be made. This becomes even more important if you have a side hustle or multiple income streams. Simple accounting habits remove the guesswork and give you the confidence to make smarter financial decisions. As you track your finances, you will start to notice patterns in your spending. This is where you identify hidden leaks that are quietly draining your cash flow. These are often small expenses that do not seem significant at first, but add up over time. Subscriptions you no longer use, impulse purchases, or inefficient spending habits can slowly reduce your ability to grow your income. The goal is not to cut everything out, but to become more intentional. By redirecting your money toward things that support your personal finance goals, you create more room for saving, investing, and money-making opportunities. With better budgeting and clearer accounting, you can begin to build a system that supports long-term income growth. Your financial system should not just track money, it should help you increase it. This means setting aside time, energy, and resources to explore new ways of earning. Whether that is starting a side hustle, developing new skills, or creating passive income streams, your goal is to grow your income in a sustainable way. When your systems are aligned with your goals, every decision you make becomes more intentional, and your cash flow becomes stronger over time. A personal finance reset is not about making drastic changes overnight. It is about improving how you manage your money step by step. When you focus on realistic budgeting, simple accounting, and consistent money-making strategies, you take control of your income and build a stronger financial foundation. Start small, stay consistent, and allow your cash flow and financial growth to build naturally over time. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides. See you in the next video.